So guys, that's the railway station road, and this is our resort. To book the resort, please contact the number provided. So this is the entrance, guys. We have lift also. So this is the corridor, guys. Let's have a look at the rooms also. So you will get Wi-Fi also, guys. So friends, this is the luxury room. So very close to the railway station, guys. So this is the AC. So rooms are very neat and clean. Hardly 500 meters to the railway station. You will get TV. That's the AC. And have a look at the bed also. Double occupancy room. And this is the washroom. Yeah. And this is the washroom, guys. Washroom is also very neat and clean. This is the luxury room. So guys, this is one more executive room. Beautiful ambience. AC. You will get a fan also. So this is the washroom, guys. Very neat and clean. Okay. So we are on the second floor now, guys. So in the second floor we have this room. So these are double classic rooms. So that's the AC. If you want AC, they will turn on the AC. And this is the TV. And this is the bed. These are double classic rooms. And let's see the washroom also. So this is the washroom. And a fan will be there. And if you need AC, AC charges will be applicable. So you will get Wi-Fi here also. For the double classic rooms also you will be getting Wi-Fi. And this is one more room. Double classic room. So TV, AC, and that's the bed. And let's see the washroom also. This is the wash area, mirror, and this is the washroom, guys. So hot water availability will be 24 hours. So hot water will be available. Yeah. This is the Rajasthani Palace, guys. So restaurant is also available here. Rajasthan Palace. Let's have a look at the rooms also here. So very close to railway station. That's the road. So this is a restaurant, guys. Exactly attached with this lodge. Very close to railway station, guys. Hardly 300 to 400 meters from railway station. So let's see the rooms also. So this is the entrance. This is the reception area. So let's have a look at the rooms also. So this is the entrance. So this is the corridor, guys. So this is a triple bed room, guys. So you'll get TV, AC, hot water availability is there. So this is the washroom. The rooms are also pretty neat and clean, very decent. So this is a triple bedroom washroom, guys. So washroom is also very neat and clean, decent. Hot water availability is also there. Double bed. This is double bed, guys. TV, AC, mirror, and this is the room, washroom. This is the washroom, guys. This is the room. So we will be getting Rajasthani food also here. So Rajasthani hotel this is.